In this video we're going to be looking at the concept of differentiability. We're going to determine if a function can be differentiated. The first rule is from last time, that a function has to be continuous. That means it has no holes, it doesn't just stop, it goes on, and there's no gaps in the function. The second rule, a new rule, is that the function has to be smooth. That means it's got no sharp turns. Here we have a function. We've got these 2 points where the function is not continuous. This means at these 2 points the function is not differentiable. It cannot be differentiated. Here we've got a third point where the function is continuous, but it's still not differentiable, and this is because it's not smooth. So why does the smoothness matter? To demonstrate, here's a graph. We'll do distance, so 0 to 50 meters, and time, traveling from 0 for 20 seconds. To start with, we've got a person who travels no distance at all. At any given point, their distance traveled is 0. But then at some point, about 10 seconds, the person starts to travel. They travel for 10 seconds and they go 50 meters. 50 meters in 10 seconds is a speed of 5 meters per second. In the last 5 seconds of their trip, they traveled 25 meters. This is just to prove that a straight line distance time graph means that the person is traveling at a constant speed. So at any given point, it's a constant speed of 5 meters per second. Which gives us this problem down here where the graph isn't smooth. At some point, the speed they're traveling is 0 meters per second, and at some later point, they're traveling at 5 meters per second. But at this point here where it's not smooth, they go from 0 meters per second to 5 meters per second instantly. This means we must have had some instantaneous change in speed, which means infinite acceleration, and we know this cannot happen. Since differentiation is all about change, and we can tell therefore the function is not differentiable when it's not smooth. Why do gaps matter? Let me illustrate with another distance time graph. We've got some person traveling along at a varying speed, and at some point they go some distance in no time at all, which is once again entirely impossible. See if you can decide whereabouts in this function it is not differentiable.